Hey, welcome friends to Scrapping It Up. I'm Vanessa, and I want to do another album share with you guys. This is a folio that we made. This is a bonus project. My kit club, whatever scraps we have left over, I come up with a bonus project to help use up some of the scraps that we had left over. So I come up with this folio. And we used the Love and Adore collection by Simple Stories. It is an older collection. It is getting harder to find this collection because it has been discontinued now. It's beautiful, beautiful, guys. Okay, so this is a folio that I come up with. It measures 9 by 10, and it does have an inch spine on it. And the spine of this is made out of Craftex, which is very, very durable. I mean, it will stand the test of time. I love Craftex. And you can get it in black, craft, gray, caramel. So there's lots of options. Okay, let's dive into this. So you open it up. Oh, beautiful. And I haven't figured out how many photographs this will hold yet. I should have done that before I recorded this. But oh no, didn't do that. So we have a pocket here. That's a photo mat. And we have a pocket here. And just slide a few photo mats in there. Just like that. Then we have a waterfall here, and I use one of my punches, Martha Stewart punches. A great way to use your punches, and it helps save on your paper. So you could just use your cardstock instead of using your design paper to do your waterfalls. Ain't that gorgeous, guys? Beautiful, beautiful. Oh. So then here again, I done the punch and just put it on the side with a little strip of paper to match. And then you have some 4x6s. And then we have a couple of pockets here. They just slide right back in. Just like that. Okay, and then this side mirrors the other side, okay? Same thing. Oh, this paper is beautiful. I wish they wouldn't have discontinued it. Maybe they'll come up with something else like it. So then this flips. Look at that. That's one of those pieces of paper that you just, you don't know what to do with it. So I just cut it in two. And then I cut it down to add my photo mats. And so, you could just leave this blank. You could put pictures over it. You could journal in these little things here and put your pictures here. Pretty cool. So then, again, we have another waterfall. This folio probably holds quite a few photos. And then we have, again, our pocket. This is, and the name of this folio is A Love for Memories. It's beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Oops, I think I shut it wrong. This is the outside. There we go. And I do have a tutorial for this on my website if you are interested in making it. It doesn't cost that much at all. And you can learn how to make this. You get the videos, the process videos, and you get the cutting guide and the supply list that I used for this collection. So I hope you guys will grab the tutorial for this and make this cute little folio. It really turned out really cute. Oh, I didn't show you guys the back. There's the back. Always forget to show the back. Okay, guys, that's all I have for you. Go to scrappinitup.com with no G. Pick up your tutorial, and you can be on your way to making this. Okay, talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.